If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Bye. I also heard that he is a good chef.
So first you'll see there's Australia.
Oceania. Then this
Oceania.
is Antarctica.
And then the bottom is Antarctica.
Asia.
And now we have Asia.
Hey guys, look! I'm in a cool, colorful horseshoe falls. Hi, I'm inside this really cool basketball hoop. Horseshoe falls. I can make Niagara Falls. Hey guys, NiagaraTFP here, and today I'm going to show you free stuff which I think you've seen on my channel before. Hey guys, Dad TP here. I'm actually NiagaraTFP, but I'm on Dad TP's phone right now. You see, this is built back in April, so that's why there are lots of dust like everywhere.
I have no idea.
There's nothing inside.
Oh, no, you tricked me.
Haha, I tricked you.
Hey guys, Dad TFP here, and I think we just shrunk the other paper model, and now we got this little teeny weeny version of it. Oh my god, are you serious? That's very impressive.
And what you do is,
Don't put that in the water. That goes on the bridge.
and then you can put it on the main model, but it's way too big.
I don't think it fit in the tunnel. Whoa. No. That's wrong. People are going to think you're the Taj Mahal and I'm the U.S. Capitol. That's not the way it's supposed to be. We get back to see what you have. No. I see the bizarre moment. We're working it. Busy the bizarre ship. The shiz of my brother's neck cabin or stood out who you're sending one. Okay, that's not no. Are you not? We're fit with food in that. We're doing it. Busy the bizarre ship. We're here to have your skin on and after over. I should do that. I hear sending one. Hurry, head, you face. What's your favorite checkerboard pattern video? Who's it by? Is it by Rubik's International? Is it by Dad TFP?
Oh, what?
Or is it by NiagaraTFP?
It's by Rubik's International.
No! Is it by Dad TFP?
No, it's by Rubik's International.
Oh, that really hurts my feelings, Pumpkin. Watch out, the caboose is coming right at you. Watch out! NiagaraTFP, huh? That was scary. Much better. Alright, well, it looks like we're safe. The train's not near us. We should be fine. Watch out! Watch!
This is not actually a souvenir. I just want to put it on there. It's kind of a souvenir, but it doesn't have like. There's not a building called the Ireland flag. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye!